Wednesday and take two. Take two of me going live. I hope this works. I went live earlier. Everything looked fine until I watched the replay and it was a black screen. So if you're watching live right now, please let me know if you can physically see me or do you just hear me and just see a black screen. So I'm showing live. All right. It looks like I'm live. I pulled it up on my phone. I wanted to make sure that I was getting this right. All right, so let's take two. That's the kind of day we're having, and it's all okay. All right, my networking friend, so good to see you today. Happy Wednesday. Happy networking day. That's what today is. It's networking day. It's so good to see you. Welcome to Networking Know-How, our weekly live training where I help you network stress-free and more effectively like we do in our Down and Dirty Networking online community. Now, I have a really good training for you today, which is why I wanted to come back and do it live so you can see me. But before I jump in, if we have not yet connected or this is your first time tuning in, I'm Laura Morlando, the Stress Commando, and I am the founder and CEO of Down and Dirty Networking. If you're watching live or on replay, please say hi in chat so I can acknowledge you and feel free to comment and interact with me throughout the training so we can have more fun and a more meaningful time together. So I see some people watching live. Thanks for tuning in. All right, so first things first, in a private message to me, drop hashtag sneak peek in a private message. Hashtag sneak peek in a private message to learn more about our brand new relational networking event happening in April. So private message me or Down and Dirty Networking, hashtag sneak peek. Okay, so let's get into today's training. So quick question. Wouldn't it be great to truly connect with people so your time was more worthwhile? Let me know in chat if this sounds good to you. I know I was tired of feeling like I was wasting my time and spinning my wheels networking. So today I'm spilling my 3 tips, my best tips to not wasting time exchanging contact info when connecting online and virtual events and meetings. Now, these tips have led to some of the most amazing conversations, resources, ideas, opportunities, and relationships. And I'm going to share how these tips help me just today. Okay, so let's dig in. Tip number 1, ditch the pitch when asked for contact info. So many people mistake exchanging contact information to mean the same thing as giving your sales pitch or 30-second commercial in chat. This is true in person too. When a moderator or about a meeting or an event asks for you to exchange contact information or post it in chat, make sure to only post your contact info. So many people do not follow the rules, and people don't take kindly to those that don't follow the rules. Now, here's the sad part about not following the rules. This is a guaranteed way to tank your reputational capital and not have people reach out to you. More importantly, when you break the rules, people remember. So when you reach out to other people after the event, don't be surprised if they don't return any of your messages that you might be leaving them. If you're struggling to get connected to people that you met in an event, this might be why. And this leads me to tip number 2, which is know the rules of the meeting or event. Not all meetings and events allow the exchange of contact info or sales pitches. For example, sales pitches and 30-second commercials are not allowed in Down and Dirty Networking because we're not transactional. We are a 100% relational networking community. So make sure you know the rules. Often groups will instruct you what to post in chat. Make sure to follow their guidance. But what if there's no guidance given? Well, then it's best to not post any contact info or sales pitches, but instead engage with the audience in chat with thoughtful remarks and ideas. Now, following the rules and engaging in chat are powerful ways to increase your reputational capital and truly connect with everyone. All right, so tip number 3, make it easy for people to connect with you. Let me break this down. First, regarding contact information, once you know it is okay to post your contact info, keep it simple. Only post your contact info like your name, title, phone number, email, and one link to either your website or primary social media account. And yes, only one link. Anything more will appear salesy and it will be visually distracting, which will prevent people from wanting to connect with you. Now, remember the goal is to have attendees easily contact you. Now, the very best way to display this information in chat is to use the pipe key. This is the character above the backslash key on your keyboard, also known as the pipe key, or as I used to call it, the vertical bar to divide info. So what it would look like would be you would put your name, then pipe key, your title, then pipe key. Then you would put your phone number, then pipe key, email, pipe key, and then your one link to either your website or your primary social media account that you want people to connect with you on. This is a visually simple way to display your contact info, and it makes it easier for people to read, copy, click, or save and print chat and easily retype how to connect with you. Since you don't know how they're going to use that info in chat, keeping it simple and easy is the way to go. Now, second, regarding 30-second commercials and sales pitches or telling people what you do. Once instructed to post this info in chat, keep this simple too. Anything too lengthy can get overlooked. One of the best tools I use in this situation is called Linktree. With a free or paid Linktree account, you create a website of links you want to share. Then all you have to do is share the link to your Linktree. For example, on my Linktree, I have links to my LinkedIn profile. I have links to learn more about the Relational Networking Sneak Peek event. I have a link to my feature interview in Authority Magazine and a few others. You can put whatever you like, and anytime you update your Linktree, the user sees the most updated version when they click your Linktree link. There are a couple of other tools similar to Linktree, but I like the user friendliness of Linktree, and I like that it's more widely well known. But if this is your first time hearing about it, make sure to check it out. Or if you want to know more information, just pop comments in chat, and I'll be happy to send you the link to it. I don't have an affiliate link. I don't make any money of it, but I'm happy to share this resource because it's really been helpful for me. Now, regardless of which category of info you're putting in chat, I suggest you create a document, a cloud-based document you can access anywhere. I use a Google document where I've typed out my contact info, my 30-second commercial, or my tell us about you info, anything. Pretty much every possible scenario I've pre-staged in this document so that when I'm at a meeting or an event, all I have to do is copy and paste. This allows me to be both effective and still be present without fussing about what to type. This is also super effective in meetings that do not allow. So let me back up. This is super effective in meetings that do not allow the exchange of contact information, because often someone will private message me and ask for my info because of the way I've engaged in chat during the event. Now, when this happens, it is perfectly acceptable to reply back privately. Again, only supplying the info they asked for and nothing more. Now, the best part about having a cloud-based document with all of your intros pre-staged is that you can access it when you are out and about. For example, before going live the first time, I was at a doctor's appointment. As I was chatting with the staff, or as we call engaging in relational networking, to have meaningful conversations to build authentic and lasting relationships, a new doctor wanted to know more about what I do. So I said my introduction, free of any sales pitch. She then asked follow-up questions that ultimately led to her asking for me to leave my information with her. So I pulled up my Google Doc and copied the information and gave it to her right then and there. Super simple, super effective, and super efficient. Now, your action step is to create your pre-staged cloud-based document and then share what is appropriate when asked to do so in your next virtual event or meeting, or in person if need be. Now, if you would prefer to connect and never need to exchange contact info again, I invite you to direct message me the words #sneak peek, #sneak peek to learn more about our brand new relational networking sneak peek event happening in April. So type #sneak peek in a private message to learn more. Okay, networker, I hope this was helpful. Thank you for sticking around for take 2. If so, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up or tag a friend that could use this tip today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and videos. Remember to tune in every Wednesday afternoon between 3:30 and 5:30, unless I have to do a second take, for another live networking know-how. And you can always catch the replays on our Down and Dirty Networking LinkedIn, Facebook, or YouTube page. Again, thank you for watching Take 2, and thank you for watching on replay. I look forward to seeing you next week. And until then, happy networking.